Hello everybody, Princess DeBerry here, and it's a Saturday.
We are going to the Ratatouille Passholder preview.
Yes, apparently we got one of those, so
Yes.
we're gonna go hang out with some rats. I'm gonna eat some cheese. I don't know what she's gonna do.
Vegan cheese?
Something like that. And go see what this ride is all about. I mean, it's been long enough, I think.
Be sure to Ratatouille.
You heard the girl.
It's so high.
What fun stuff.
Remove packs before boarding. She's already planned on it, we can do it. Oh, no, it's purple.
So listening now. It's gray. I go over my Remy's, but under my mask.
Voilà, venez, 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 suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, dessert, Remy. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. You? Everything must be perfect. Ego est en salle. Ingui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Tomato juice.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte.
Maintenant.
Oui, ma chérie.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Oh, okay, I have to get on the motorcycle because I'm Colette right now.
Oh, they do have the motorcycle. So Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, or AKA the Rat Ride, because I'm not saying the whole name every single time we come here.
True.
Thoughts?
It was fun. It gave me Universal vibes a little bit. Screens. Yeah, like the in and out of the screens reminded me very much of the Harry Potter rides, but better. Yeah, I always say it was more integration of kind of both, because there were some parts I would look and be like, wait, am I in a screen or is this actually a prop right beside me? And you'd have to like discern for a second. But it was cute. It was fun.
I definitely felt a lot of Disney DNA in that ride. You
Yeah.
can see how things in this ride inspired Mickey's Runaway Railway, but I like the use of the more practical effects with the like supersized vegetables and everything else in there. It's an accessible ride. I fit, my knees were kind of tight, but I thought that part was pretty good about it.
And I liked how a lot of the ride was still in French, so
Yes.
it kind of like keeps to the original ride in Paris.
I wonder how many people are going to feel about that. I know some people are going to be upset that a lot of it's still in
We
French.
loved it. We loved
We
it.
know that Shawn Rosell loved it. But it was definitely, I think, an amazing ride. I don't care if it's a copy from Paris. A lot of people like myself have never experienced this ride, are absolutely going to love it. I think it's a fantastic addition to World Showcase. I'm giving it, on the bear side, I'm giving it an even 4.5 out of 5 points.
I would give it 3.5 out of 5 fromages. I would meet right in the middle and give it a 4. It's definitely something I want to ride.
I'm definitely going to have a hard time choosing between this, the chance to come to this, or the chance to go to Runaway Railway, for sure.
Now bring us the Luca ride in Italy. Let's do that. Let's do that.
She wants it, Disney give it to her. They're not going to give it to me, so. Either way, I want to know what you guys thought of the ride. Are you guys excited for Remy's to open? If not, let me know in the comments. If there's anything else that you're more excited for, that's going to be a place to let us know. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Or she'll kill you. Cool.